Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on my channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. Doing a new series on my channel called Breakfast India, where I try breakfast recipes from all over India. Today is the 10th episode in that series and we are trying out Chhattisgarhi Fara. So it's a dish which is made out of rice flour and leftover rice and had for breakfast along with some chutney. The detailed ingredients for this recipe is given in the description box. Please do check it out. Watch the earlier episodes of Breakfast India. I'll leave a link above right there on the iCard. Click there and watch the rest of the episodes. But after watching this one, let's have a look at the ingredients required to make the Phara. So in here I've got 1 cup of cooked rice. I've got 1 cup of rice flour, salt to taste and some sesame seeds. I'm using white sesame seeds here. So let's start making the Phara. So we'll add the salt and the sesame seeds to the cooked rice. And start mixing it well. Once it's mixed well, we're going to add a little bit of rice flour at a time and make this into a soft dough. Dough ready in here. I've used around 1/4 to half cup of rice flour to make the dough. So keep adding little by little until you get the desired dough consistency. So now let's make the Phara. To make the Phara, we'll divide the dough into small balls like this. Balls ready in here. I'm going to dust my hand in some rice flour. Take a small ball like that. Keep it on the palm. Smooth it out like this, and then we're going to just press like that to form a shape like this one. It has to be thick in the middle and thin in the ends. Let me make the rest of the Pharas. Made all the Pharas ready. Let's move on to the second step, which is the tempering. Look at the ingredients required for the tempering. I've got 3 whole red chilies here. I've got sesame seeds, a sprig of curry leaf and chopped coriander leaves. Apart from this, we'll also need 1 tablespoon of oil to do the tempering in. So let's start. Kadai on fire and I've poured 1 tablespoon of oil into it. Preferably use a kadai which is not non-stick, because we need to fry the Pharas later, for which a non-stick pan would not work. So please make sure you don't use a non-stick pan. The oil is hot enough. Let's add in the sesame seeds. We'll wait for it to splatter. Once it splatters, we'll add in the red chilies. Give it a mix and add in the curry leaf. Add the Pharas into this oil slowly. Let's just slowly toss them in the oil. Make sure you do this very lightly, as we don't want to break them. Once you've tossed them, we'll add 1/4 cup of water into this. Bring the temperature to low. Cover it with a lid. And we'll let this cook for 5 minutes. Make sure you check on it occasionally. So it's been 5 minutes. So I've opened the cover. Now we're going to just very slowly toss the Phara. We'll let this crisp up a little bit by dry roasting them. When you turn the Phara, please be very careful, we don't want to break it. We'll just roast it for a few minutes and then remove it from fire. The Phara is roasted and ready. We'll just add a little bit of coriander leaves to this. And it's ready to be served. So the Pharas are ready. You can serve this with chutney of your choice. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Until I see you next time, bye bye.